shadows slowly pass. Concrete jungle, cold and wet, trying hard to forget. The city breeze in my ear, secrets that I shouldn't hear. Neon rain, wash the stain, numbs the fear, hides the pain. Eyes are watching from the gray night, will never turn today. Taxi driver turns the wheel, nothing here is really real. Round and round, the wheels go round, lost and never found. Pitch black, drifting forward, floating back, lighting up the gray air. I look for you, but you're not there. Memory fades, edges fray, nighttime turns to shades of gray. Like smoke, you rise, blur them out, blur the eyes, try to catch the shape of you, slipping through the view, just smoke, just smoke. Was it brown? The image starts to break down. Ashes fall on the floor. I don't know you anymore. Bees all disappear. Wish that you were here. Just a ghost. just a trace. Can't remember the face.
Miles between invisible, unseen. Touch the wire, you feel the weight. One single breath is all it takes.
Breath goes thin in the quiet room. Walls lean in, there's no escape from you. Hands are calm, but the pulse is loud. Thoughts move slow in a tightening crowd. I don't run, I don't slip, I stay inside. Inside the grip. Inside the grip. Inside the grip. it hits the same old place. Same sharp edge, same measured pace. I don't shout, I don't flip, I fold it in. Inside the grip.
Inside the grip. Inside the grip.
Hold it tight,
Don't let it slip.
hold the night.
Inside the grip.
No release,
No sudden shift. Everything lives inside the grip. Clock stands still, but the pressure grows. Every second knows what it knows. I don't break, I don't trip, I breathe it out. Inside the grip. Inside the grip. Inside the grip. No open door. No final script. Just one last thought. Inside the grip. Inside the grip.
Behind the glass, safe and cold, I watch your stories start to unfold. Perfect skin, painted eye, never sleep and I never cry. You rush past in the rain, chasing love, chasing pain. You change your ways, you turn the page. I stay in place, same frozen fate. Mannequin, heart of wire, no regret, no desire. Trapped in the light, day and night. Fantastic soul under control. Summer heat, winter frost, I count the things that you've lost. Couples kiss, then they fight. I just stand in the white light. You are flesh, weak and real. I am the ideal that cannot feel. Do you envy me, my eternity? Do you envy me, my vacancy? Mannequin, heart of wire, no regret, no desire. Trapped in the light, day and night. Fantastic soul. Mannequin, heart of wire, no regret, no bones, no skin, still in. No sound but I hear the beat, no move but I don't retreat, no push but I lose my ground, no voice but it's all around. No eyes but I feel the stare, no truth but it's always there, no heat but the room is tight, no day but it feels like night. Pressure without touch, pressure without touch, too close, not much, pressure without touch. No pass but it pulls me back, no crack but the line still crack, no war but I stay on guard, no scar but it hits me hard. No need for a loaded gun, no race but I still can't run, no lock but the door feels shut, no cut but it hurts as much, pressure without touch, pressure without touch, no rush, no clutch, pressure without touch. Still here, still tense, no sense, pressure. Without touch. Morning light cuts the room, mud upon the white sheets, bruise of blue upon the knee. Who is this? It isn't me. Taste of iron on the tongue. Air is cold inside the lungs. The key is in the pocket. The door is wide. Someone else. The guilt delay. The sleepwalker. He wears my skin. He goes out when I go in. Walking through the city veins. In the fog and in the rains, I am the host. He is the guest. I get no peace. I get no rest.
Where did you go? What did you do? Who did you see? They saw you. They saw you.
Scratches on the wooden floor, leaves inside the corridor. Did I speak or did I scream? Trapped inside a walking dream. I close my eyes to make it stop, but that is when the curtain drops. He knows the way, he knows the street, he knows the people I never meet. Don't wake me up, don't shake me loose. I might like the truth. The sleepwalker, he wears my skin. He goes out when I go in. I am the host, he is the guest. No peace, no rest. Ooh, clean the feet, wash the hands. Hardly ever deep. What did you do? Sleep. Creep. The city slows, the air turns white. Every sound feels soft tonight. Old footsteps fade under my feet. The past dissolves in falling sleep. No scars remain, no words to say, just silent streets I choose to break. First snow, new page, nothing written, nothing staged. Clean lines, no rage, I step outside another age. First snow, I know this is where the shadows go. Windows glow with borrowed light. Breathing calm replaces fight. All the noise
the street. No weight to carry, no disguise, just open roads and open sky. It's first snow, new page, nothing written, nothing staged. Clean lines, no rage, I step outside another age. First snow, I know this is where the shadows go. I don't erase, I let it rest. What's behind me did its best. I don't run, I don't delay, I let the white show me the way. First, no new page, no more echoes, no more chains. Pure and slow, I begin again. I begin again. Footprints fade,